Okay. So, Mr. Jace, kindly read the next sample.
On Monday morning, Mr. Rivera's checkbook showed a balance of 21,248 and 60 pesos. During the week, he deposited 2,017 pesos and and 317 pesos and 20 cents and 4,827 and 20 cents. They wrote checks for 1,239 and 60 cents and 6,243 pesos and 1,141 cents and 394 cents. Find his checkbook balance at the end of the week.
Okay, thank you, Jace. So, as compared to the previous example, we need to check the two balances, right? The one that we produce, which is the checkbook, and the bank checkbook statement. The bank statement, rather. Okay, we need to make it consistent. And to do that, we need to reconcile with the bank. As compared dito naman sa second example natin, we will only have our own copy. So, own reporting lang natin to kasi checkbook balance lang po ang ask on the problem. So, checkbook balance at the end of the week. Okay? So, we need to encode all of the amounts given. Okay po? Yun lang yun on this problem. So, sige, let's start. On Monday morning daw, Mr. Rivera's checkbook showed a balance of, now we need to encode the peso sign 21,248.60. Tama? Checkbook balance 21,248 and 60 centavos. Ito po yun. Next, during the week, he deposited. So, when we say he deposited, what's this? An addition or subtraction? Addition or deduction? Mr. Kian, what do you think? Ito po, when we say deposited, addition to our balance or deduction? Deposited. Sige, try. You choose one lang. What do you think is the most um, is correct between the two? Kapag merong deposited, when we say deposited and these are the amounts, is this an addition sa ating pera or deduction?
Ah,
What
ano
do
po
you
ulit yung
think?
tanong po? Medyo po mahina.
Sige po. So, it's like this. Sabi kasi he deposited. So, ito 2,000, 300, and 4,000. When we say deposited, these amounts, okay, he deposited daw his amount, si Mr. Rivera, he deposited. When we say he deposited, madadagdagan yung pera natin
Opo.
or
Madadagdagan po.
mababawasan?
Madadagdagan po.
Okay, correct. Therefore, when we say deposited, it's an addition to our money, to our fund. Okay, therefore, we need to put add deposits. Deposits such as 2,000, 017, and then peso sign. How much yung sunod? 317.20. And then another one, peso sign, 4,827.20. Sige po. Together, let's answer magkano yung total deposits. How much is the total deposit ni Mr. Rivera? How much is the total deposit? Kirsten, how much ang total deposit? So, you just have to add all the deposited amounts. Add lang po natin yan. Lahat.
Uh,
So, how much is the total?
7,168. I mean, 61.
7,168 point
161 po.
161 point
40.
40. Okay, thank you for that, Kristen. Now, meron pa po tayong mga amounts remaining. Ang sabi, he wrote checks. He wrote checks for 1,239, may 6,000, may 1,000, and 300. So, what are these mean? So, ano to? 1,000. Ano din to? What are these amounts? Is this an addition or deduction? Ang sabi, he wrote checks. He wrote checks. Okay? He wrote checks. So, what are you think with these amounts? What do we need to do with these amounts? Is this an addition or deduction sa ating money in the bank? Anyone who wants to answer? So, what? Let me call Charles. Charles, what do you think with these amounts? He wrote checks daw for 1,239 and 60. He wrote checks. So what are checks? Checks are the are piece of paper that is considered cash, right? But it's a piece of paper that is equal the amount, equal the value ng cash. Pero paper lang siya. Okay, check. Yun ay check eh. Oh, what do you think? He wrote checks. Is it deduction or addition? Pili ka po isa. What do you think is the better answer?
Addition po.
Addition, 1,000. Okay, he wrote checks. He wrote checks. Nagsulat, Tagalogin natin. Nagsulat siya ng cheque. Nagsulat siya ng cheque. Nagsulat siya sa cheque. Sure?
Opo.
Final answer. What's your final answer?
Deduction po.
Deduction, correct. Kapag nagsulat ka ng cheque, it means those checks are already issued. Binigay mo na. Pag naibigay mo na, those are to deduct from your balance or yung money mo in the bank. Therefore, we need to less these amounts. Less. Okay. These are checks issued. How much? So, 1,239.60 meron tayong 6,243. Another one, 1,141.60 and na isa pa po. Peso sign 394.60. So, sige, kindly help po. How much are the total amounts issued? Na cheque. On the checks, how much? How much ang total on the checks issued? MJ, what's the total amount? MJ, what's the total amount ng ating check? So, you just have to compute lahat ito.
Wait lang po.
Sige po. Okay, wait natin si Mr. MJ. May answer na si Mr.
Sir,
Charles and Carlo. Yes, go, please.
9,018.80.
18.80. Okay, now, again, if these are the checks issued, therefore we need to deduct. These are deductions. So, lagyan natin ng parentheses to indicate that we need to deduct this amount from our checkbook balance. Sige, now, what's our new checkbook balance? What's the checkbook balance at the end of the week? What's the checkbook balance at the end of the week? How much is the new checkbook balance? So basically, the deposits is an addition, the issued checks, it can be withdrawal, those are deductions. So you start with the checkbook balance. Beginning. What? Want to answer? Kaya magkaiba yung answer ni Carlo and Arkin. How was that? It's different. Again, sige, answer ulit. Compute ulit. What's the new checkbook balance then? Magkaiba po yung answer. It's different, Carlo and Arkin. So, based on the chat, kaiba po. Sige, ulit. Miel, what's the answer? Miel, what's the answer? Ayun, yan na. Kinton din. Answered correctly. Yan. Arkin, ayan. Okay. Sige, let's verify with the answer kay, let's check kay Miel kung talaga. Oh. So, dalawa na yung tatlo, ayan na. Kay Carlo, kay na.
Sure, di ba po i-add?
You add the 7,000 from
That's what Carlo
21,000. Okay, deduct. Deduct po ito. Okay lang yung decimal lang naman yun. Decimal lang. Sige, check natin. And then, you have to deduct this 9,000 here. Ayan. So, itong 21,248.60, i-add natin tong 7,161.40, ima-minus natin yung 9,018 and 80. What's the new checkbook balance now? What's the new checkbook balance? Sige, it's okay, Miel. So, the correct answer for this one is 19,391. Ayan po, nagkapare-parehas na. Point 2. Ayan, na-disconnect na si Miel. Yan. So, this is the new checkbook balance. Basically, you have to find keywords. Okay po? You have to find keywords. So that you will know if this particular amount ay ide-deduct po ba or i-add. Okay po? Okay. So, these are the pointers to review. That is scheduled on Monday. So, we only have 2 pointers, income statement and bank reconciliation. So, you have to submit on Monday photo ng inyong answer. So, you will use your notebook and then please use ball pen. Okay po, para mas clear yung mga numbers. Ball pen, not pencil. Okay? Ball pen, not pencil. On Monday. Okay po, sige po. Let's end na the meeting. Yan. So, again, please take